Okay, welcome traders. Welcome to this market review of gold. Okay, for this past week ending 14 December. So let's have a look at what happened with gold here. All right, in the previous week, as you can see, it began to go down, and I think this is also in line with the US dollar, which was gaining this past week. Okay, so this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So he did a lovely cycle. If you look at this, gold opened basically slightly above where it closed, just like a few pips above where it closed. But basically that was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, continued up, but the reversal came on because this was just quite a steep incline, and we have got to remember this previous high that was made on the 22nd of November, which he failed to break, false breakout just over there, and that's what caused the reversal. So if you had seen this, that high was still this high was still in existence, basically went down and came back up. So Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So from Monday, Tuesday, he was going upward, but now he has broken this upward trend. Okay, so like I said, dollar strength I think is what has caused this, as well as this previous high over there. We had some news for dollar, which we always have, which could have caused this changes. Now I want to show you guys the trades which you could have taken. Okay, don't worry about that, don't be scared about that. I use this mostly market maker method. I want to show you the trades which you could have taken this week on gold. Okay, so if you've signed up already with one of my recommended brokers and made a deposit, you'll be able to watch the rest of this video. If not, that's all you'll see for now. Okay, I can give you so much, but the rest of it you're gonna have to do something at least to get it. Okay, so let's have a look at these trades which paid, guys.